everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is Boss Vision, where I share with you all everything you need to know about making candles. To create amazing product photos. I recently came across osmo.ai and it has been a game changer for my product photo aesthetic. Okay, so the background technology is like something I've never seen before. This tool is made for us as small business owners who struggle with lighting at home or getting that aesthetically pleasing photo, and you don't want to invest thousands and thousands of dollars on a professional. So I'm super excited to share with you all exactly how it works today. Definitely stay tuned for the video, and if you like videos like this, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything else that I post. Alright, let's just jump right into it. Okay, to show you just how easy this is, I wanted to share my screen of me just grabbing my products, putting them on a random surface, and taking pictures on my iPhone. So the best part about leveraging AI is that you don't have to do the professional photography on your own. You can do some simple photos just with the high quality lighting and then import them into this AI generated solution, and they do all the work. So with osmo.ai, you can just sign up using the credentials on the website or even on your phone, and automatically it will remove your background of your picture, and then you can search through the background changer just to see which backgrounds work the best for you. I recommend bathrooms. Countertops are really good for candles, as well as, you know, just anywhere that has a clear flat surface. So as you can see, I found these beautiful ones in minimalism, and once you select one, you're able to be even more particular just with the brightness and contrast as well as saturation to make sure it looks more realistic. And then you can also use their magic remover tool. Just by stroking the brush all over a background item you don't want, it'll completely remove it. Sometimes you have to do it just one more time to make sure it's completely gone. And there you have it. I also wanted to try a different one, so I went in and found this yellow studio one, and I was just increasing the brightness and saturation here. As you can see, it looks like I put a yellow background behind my candle and some props that I got, you know, probably from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. It looks so professional without having to pay all that money. And this candle actually was photographed just randomly on a steel metal table, so you would have no idea just looking at this AI generated photo. I also tried a neutral background just to make it look more calm in case that's another direction I want to go in. Took a screenshot just to see if I liked that one on social media. And yeah, it looks so realistic as it relates to the different options they give you on the left side. They give you 4 options, and you can generate 4 more. And another example of removing the background here, as you can see, there's like flowers behind that, and I didn't really like that, so I went ahead and removed them. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see y'all in the next one. To make your girl OD, I get in my way, out of my